Hello everyone. So welcome to this lesson on our Adobe Aero project. So in our previous lessons, we learned to toggle the visibility of our UI. So now we want to let the launch links or launch a website. Okay. So to do that, let's click on this. Okay. So let's say this is what we want. When the user taps it, it should open a link. Okay. So currently, Adobe Aero doesn't allow us to preview or view links in our browse in the AR experience. Okay, or play videos in the AR experience apart from audio. Okay, so let's go to trigger, go to tab, then on tab, okay, action, open URL. Okay, so I'm going to paste a URL here. Okay, and that should work. So now let's go to our camera, sorry, our preview. Click and then click on the mitochondria. Then let's click on this. Okay, so you can see it's launching the website. So this is my LMS platform, and it's going to launch it for us. Okay. So basically, that's how to easily insert links or launch links from within your AR projects in Adobe Aero. Okay, so in the next lesson, we'll work on the GIF. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.